10 fully loaded trucks carrying goods worth over $13 million drove through Number 3 customs checkpoint of the comprehensive bonded zone of Beijing-ڈاشنگ International Airport Monday morning, marking the official operation of the economic zone. An intelligent system is installed at the checkpoint which can identify the license plate numbers of the vehicles and quickly release the goods. The high efficiency of customs clearance and favorable policies have attracted many enterprises to the bonded area.
其实有一些这种优惠的政策，那第二呢，就是说是会对于我们企业的经营规划和销售我们都有更好的去掌控。然后一个是非常快的响应市场的需求，第二个也来降低我们的整体的管理和运营成本，便于我们整个供应链的不断的去优化。
The Beijing-ڈاشنگ International Airport Comprehensive Bonded Zone sits at the junction of Beijing Municipality and Hebei Province. It's the first and only cross-provincial special customs supervision area in China.
同时结合北京市和河北省两个地方政府发展的需求，争取更多的创新政策和改革的举措在这儿落地，为大兴机场综合保税区创新和发展提供有力的支持。